Today we're making homemade ladyfinger cookies. They are light, airy and perfect for desserts like tiramisu or as a tea time snack. Start by preparing a clean mixing bowl. Wipe it with a little vinegar, then wash and dry thoroughly to make sure there is absolutely no oil residue. This step is important for properly whipping the egg whites. Take 3 eggs and separate the egg whites from the yolks. In the bowl with the egg yolks, add 1 teaspoon of vanilla, half a teaspoon of salt and 50 grams of sugar. Whisk until the mixture becomes pale yellow, smooth and slightly thick. Clean and dry your whisk thoroughly to remove any trace of yolk. Then whisk the egg whites in a separate bowl until they become frothy. Once it reaches that stage, gradually add the remaining 50 grams of sugar, 1 tablespoon at a time. Keep whisking until stiff peaks form, as this is what gives the ladyfinger their light and airy texture. Using a spatula, take a portion of the egg whites and add it to the egg yolk mixture. Mix this portion thoroughly to loosen and aer the yolk base. Once there is no visible yellow streaks, gently fold in the remaining egg whites. This time, be careful and gentle to preserve the air in the batter. Sift in 120 grams of flour along with 5 tablespoons of corn flour. Gently fold until just combined. Transfer the mixture into a piping bag. You can use a nozzle or simply cut the tip of the piping bag to about 1 inch of opening. Pipe the batter onto a baking tray lined with parchment paper and leave about an inch of space between each cookie. Dust the top slightly with powdered sugar for that classic finish and then bake in a preheated oven at 170 Celsius for 10 to 15 minutes or until they are lightly golden brown. For an optional garnish, you can melt some chocolate and dip the tops of the ladyfingers. And there you have it. Light, airy, homemade ladyfinger cookies that are perfect for desserts or enjoying on their own. If you like this easy ladyfinger recipe, don't forget to like the video, subscribe for more baking recipes, and let me know what you'd use these for, tiramisu or just with tea.